In this portion, the spinal cord points located. So for the problems related to the cervical or the sciatica, we should press here in these points. About 8 to 10 points are located here, or we can apply pressure with the help of thumb or the fingers. Also, we should give pressure on the little fingers. Then we should. And after that, very important point is that these points here, this area, this whole area represents the spinal cord. When we have the cervical or the spinal problems, we should press this portion. At one point, we can give the pressure up to 30 seconds and maximum of the 2 minutes. Like this, you can press here. Okay. So, after that, one more point which is very important, this point, where is thumb and index finger ends. This point. By pressing this point, so many points of throat, neck, shoulder, and other eyes, ear, back pain, gas point, it gives relief in these all disorders. So it's very important point. So you can press here, and after that, one more. These are channels between the fingers. These lines are the channels. So if we want to cure ourselves, then we also press these channels. This area is also represent the spine point. The spine point is also here. So these are for cervical. We should apply one more point. If cervical disorder, then we should apply one more point here. We should press. Cervical are located here, 8 to 10 points. Press for 30 seconds up to maximum after 2 minutes. The cervical is very prolonged or very serious, then we can give pressure in the whole palm. In this area, in the wrist, we also either you be rub like this, or we can apply pressure. Is here. We can apply pressure. These are the sinus points. For the sinus problems, we can give pressure in the end of the eyebrows. At the middle portion, we can also apply pressure, or in Indian tradition, the ladies are used to wear jewelries. They are basically represents the acupressure points and some ear points. Here in this area, for eyes problem, we can press at the tip, or for the cervical or the sciatica problem, we should press inside, which is known as the internal ear also. This whole one is the spinal cord, and in the neck here, this point, we also press this point. There are 7 points here, 3 points in one direction and 3 points in the other one, and in between there is 1 point. So we will press up to 30 seconds here for cervical disorders or joints or the knees pains. Even the eyes and the ear disorders are also cured by these points. By pressing these points, now we come to this, we will press here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here 11, 12. In this area 13, in between 14. In just this straight line, here 14 point, we press this point. 4, cervical joint pains, knees, sciatica disorder, and here 15. We press these points. If the sciatica or the cervical pain is very prone, so we can also press these points. Nearby the spinal cord, this is spinal cord. So we will press here. And here it hangs up to the hip point. If sciatica disorder, then we will press these points. These points. We give pressure to these points. Now we come to the sole portion here. In this, the basic our spinal cord area is this one. This one. This area represents the spinal cord. So, for the cervical or the sciatica pain, we should press in this area on the margin of the foot. We can give the pressure from the broad tip. Up to 3 seconds. Here we should sciatica this point. We should press this point also. Till here, the spinal cord points remains. In this sole area, the other points, as we talked earlier, the general acupressure points, like these are the sinus point, tip of the fingers, in the toes, in the thumb, brain point, pituitary point is also there. In this area, the thyroid point located, Even the parathyroid gland points are also here. So we should press here for the thyroid problems. Here, below the index finger and the middle finger, eyes points located, and below the ring finger and the little finger, ear points located, and below this, lungs point remains in the left part, the heart remains, and in the right sole, liver located. Below the stomach point and below the thyroid point, in this area, stomach point is located. In this area, it covers the intestine area, small and the large intestine, and here urinary bladder point is located. A very important point related to the sciatica is here. In this area, sciatica points located. So we should press here, give pressure for 30 seconds, maximum up to 2 minutes. 7 to 8 points are located horizontally in this area. Below the sciatica points, reproductive disorder points located. So for any disorder related to the reproductive part, we should press here, and below here in the bottom, rectum points located. So it is whole about the bottom part. Now we come to the upper part of the foot. On the front portion, we should press here in this area. As we told, this point is related to many other points. We should give pressure here. For sciatica or the survival, we can give pressure in this area between the little finger and the ring finger, and one more point here, and even we can apply pressure on whole of this area. If you like this video, you can share it and subscribe for the next video upload.